Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Today we're looking at how to plot points in graph and line, solve for y. So basically we're going to take an equation that's in standard form, change it to slope-intercept form, and then graph the line. So let's begin. Alright, so here it says use technology to find points on the graph and the line. Please plot at least 2 points on the axis below, and then use a straight edge to draw the line through the points. Make sure you draw the line on the edge of the grid on both sides. So what we're going to do is first we're going to solve this for y. Alright, so here I rewrote this, moving the negative 4y on the left side with the positive 12 and the 5x on the right side. I just swapped them around. That's all I did. Okay, now that that's done and the y is on the left, we're going to solve for y. Alright, so I'm going to subtract the 12 on both sides. I'm going to bring down the negative 4y. Alright, and the 12 is going to cancel out. Here I got that 5x in front, moving that x term in front, and I'm bringing down this negative 12. Now I'm going to divide by negative 4 on every single term. And then that's going to get me y is equal to negative 5 over 4x plus 3. Always check to make sure this fraction can be simplified. And if it can't, you just leave it alone. Alright, then negative divided by negative is positive. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now I have my equation in slope-intercept form. All I want to do is plot it and put it on the graph now. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the y-intercept, which is this positive 3. So I go to the y-intercept and put 3 on the y-axis. Alright, and then I'm going to use the slope. Okay, that slope is going to get me to this point here by going down 5 because it's negative, and then going to the right 4 because it's positive. If you happen to do, if you went up 5 but then back 4, that would work as well. So that negative could be on either the numerator or the denominator. Alright, now that I have that, all I gotta do is just draw my line, and that's it. So it's really similar to the slope-intercept ones, except you have to put it in slope-intercept form first. Alright, so let's take a look at another example. Okay, here it's already almost in slope-intercept form. You got the 2x minus 3 right there. It's already there. All I need to do now is just divide by 3 to get the y by itself. So once I divide by 3, that's going to give me y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 1. Alright, and you know the 2 over 3 can't be simplified. Negative divided by a positive is negative. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So now I'm going to go to my y-intercept, which is negative 1. And then I'm going to use my slope, which is up 2 and to the right 3. And then I'm just going to draw my line. And that's it. That is how you graph equations when they're not in slope-intercept form. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.